My name is Siti Aisha. Did you know that the Waterfall Model is a popular version of the system development lifecycle model for software engineering, often considered the classic approach to the system development lifecycle? The Waterfall Model describes a development method that is linear and sequential. Waterfall development has distinct goals for each phase of development. Imagine a waterfall on the cliff of a steep mountain. Once the water has flowed over the edge of the cliff and has begun its journey down the side of the mountain, it cannot turn back. It is the same with waterfall development. Once a phase of development is completed, the development proceeds to the next phase and there is no turning back.
Hello, my name is Farhan, and I will explain about the sequential phases in Waterfall Model. The first phases is requirements. The first phase involves understanding what needs to be designed and what is its function, purpose, and etc. The second phases is system design. The requirement specifications from first phase are studied in this phase and system design is prepared. The next one is implementation. At this phase, with inputs from system design, the system is first developed in small programs called units. The fourth phase is integration and testing. All the units developed in the implementation phase are integrated into a system after testing of each unit. So the fifth phase is deployment of system. Once the functional and non-functional testing is done, the product is deployed in the customer environment or released into the market. And now the final phase is maintenance. This step occurs after installation and involves making modifications to the system or an individual component to alter attributes or improve performance.
Hello guys, my name is Zulaika. I will explain to you about the advantages of using Waterfall Model. There are 4 advantages of Waterfall Model. The first one is, this model is simple and easy to understand and use. Then, it is easy to manage due to the rigidity of the model. Each phase has specific deliverables and a review process. The third one is, this model phase are processed and completed one at a time, and the phases do not overlap. And the last one of the advantages of this waterfall model is it works well for smaller projects where requirements are very well understood. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aiman. This model has more disadvantages than its advantages. That's why industry came up with different. First, this model isn't suitable for randomly changing requirement. Once an application is in the testing stage, it is very difficult to go back and change something that was not well thought out in the concept stage. Second, no alteration in requirement is expected. Not suitable for the projects where requirements are at a moderate to high risk of changing. Third, time of resources is wasted, like during the designing phase, developers are ideally sitting. Because still designing, it is not completed and we cannot process its development as per the principle of waterfall model. Fourth, the testing time comes quite later. That is against the principle of software testing. And fifth, takes a lot of time to change and update the project document.
Hello everyone, my name is Iza. We have learned just now about the waterfall methodology. So now I will explain about the differences between Agile and waterfall methodology. First, The software development process is divided into different phases in the Waterfall model, while Agile methodology segregates the project development lifecycle into sprints. Second, Waterfall is a structured software development methodology and oftentimes can be quite rigid, whereas the Agile methodology is known for its flexibility. Yes, I hope that you guys can get an idea from this. That's all from us. Thank you.